Hello, this is Evan
and Lison.
and today we will make a tutorial for a ghost pizza.
Let's go! So to create the pizza you will need the puff pastry, the tomato sauce, the cheese and eggs and olives and food coloring. Let's go! Okay, firstly, take your puff pastry and make with your hands the shape of a ghost.
During the preparation of the pastry, don't forget to preheat the oven at 180 degrees.
Okay. Then put the tomato sauce on it.
Thirdly, you have to add cheese on the pastry. And then you should add this result. When the first part of the ghost is done, we will make the face of the ghost.
So, step 4, you will need 2 eggs and you have to separate the white and egg yolk like that.
Next, you have to put the egg's yolk on the pastry to create the ghost eyes. Next, you will adjust your favorite food coloring in the white.
Then make a smile on your ghost. After that, take 2 olives and with that create the pupils of the eyes.
We will also adjust olives to make the smile of the ghost. So now this is our ghost.
Finally, place the pizza in the oven at 180 degrees during 25 minutes. Let's go!
So this is the result of our pizza with Lison. Enjoy your meal.
I approve that.
Very good.
Very, very good.